Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a special video for you guys. It has been a highly requested video, okay? And it is a tutorial on how I do my eyebrows. Yes, a lot of people have been asking me how I do my eyebrows, so today I'm going to show you the tricks and tips that I have on how to slay your eyebrows, okay girls? So yeah, if you guys are interested in how I do my eyebrows, just continue watching. Okay guys, so I'm going to start with this eyebrow right here. And what I'm doing is I'm taking my brow pencil, and it's like a dark brown pencil, and I'm going to start on top right here and create a light line. So I'm basically like outlining my eyebrow first, and I'm not touching anything in the middle yet. I'm outlining my eyebrow. So I'm going to start and make a soft line on top here. So as you can see, the top part is finished, and I'm going to go to the bottom, and I'm going to lightly make a line at the bottom as well. So now that I've outlined the eyebrow, now I'm going to go in the middle of the eyebrow and lightly make some strokes, like looking like hair in the middle of my eyebrow. So I'm going to lightly create strokes. And honestly, I don't really touch up here that much because I want that part to look natural. I don't want it to look that harsh. So I start like kind of like right here. I might like lightly do like a little bit at the bottom right here, but I don't really touch on top here, like the top part. So I might lightly do a few over here, and then I'm just literally just filling in my eyebrows. Like any like spaces that you see, like you don't have to fill it in all the way, but any like sparse spaces that you see on your eyebrows, you just fill it in. Right now it looks crazy, but we're gonna fix it, girls. So we're gonna fix it. So be patient with me. So after you've filled in your eyebrows, then you want to take like some type of spoolie brush like this or like this. I'm gonna use this spoolie today because it came with the brow pencil. So you just want to like literally brush your hairs up. For that. So right now it may look crazy, but we're going to conceal the eyebrows right now with any type of concealer that you want. Concealer, I always use the LA Girl Pro concealer, and it's in the color Fawn. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my eyebrows with this. So I'm gonna start right here. So you're basically just cleaning up your eyebrow. So you start with one line going this way, right? And then you want to kind of create like your arch. You want to make sure your arch is like perfect. So you're going to like skip this middle part, and you're just going to go down like that. And then you're going to kind of like create whatever kind of like arch you want. I don't know what kind of arch you guys like in your eyebrows, but I just be kind of like going with the flow. So alright, so the top part is done, and now I'm just gonna do the bottom part. Okay, so now we're going to take our brush and just blend out all that concealer. blend all that out with your concealer brush. And you're just going to take your finger and just like clean up any like harsh lines from the concealer and just blend it into your skin. Hey guys, so I'm back with a full face of makeup. You know, just something simple. But I forgot to show you guys the final step on completing your eyebrows. So I usually take like a type of mascara or something and basically seal in my eyebrows. So I'm going to take my mascara and you're basically just going to brush this through your eyebrows. And that is how I make sure that my eyebrows are concealed throughout the day and it's not going anywhere. So yeah guys, this is the completed look. Your eyebrows are a very important part of your makeup look and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And until my next video, bye guys!
If it's us, girl, let me know what's up, girl. What's up, girl? 'Cause I'm gonna hold it down, beat it up, go down, beat it up, take it down, 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 beat it up. Let me switch up the tempo, let me switch up the tempo, let me switch up the tempo.